Let's see how to easily create a copyright-free short video. First, go to canva.com, click on the sign up button, and sign up. Then go to your email and click on the link there. Then go home. Search for TikTok videos in the search bar. Then go to templates and select free. Choose a template you like as shown here. To the left are the templates you used earlier and below are the new templates. Here you can edit any part of the relevant template. It can be changed by double-clicking on the font. When you double-click on the image, it is selected and you can upload any image you like as shown on the left. You can delete an image by right-clicking on it. After adding the image, you can drag and rotate it to create the desired shape. Right-click on an image to move it up and down in layers. You can add an image and customize the template this way. You can then insert the desired audio by selecting audio on the left. The audio category is displayed at the top and the relevant audio types are displayed below. You must select non-crowned audio here and pay for crowned audio. You can play the audio above here. Below you can see what audio you have selected. The top right corner shows the duration of the short video in seconds. You can add more templates by clicking on the plus sign if you wish. Then click download at the top right. Then select the file type and click download. Here it is advisable to set the file type to MP4. After clicking download, the download will start at the bottom right. In fact, this is rendering, not downloading. The page should not be refreshed until it has been rendered. After rendering, it starts downloading from the bottom left. This way you can easily create any short video you want. How to make money with shorts videos. You can see it in the video that appears on this screen. Please subscribe to Sam's Story and click on the bell icon. Thanks for watching.